What do you see as the future of RPE, the Rehab Perform Evolve app that you've developed here at Balance Physical Therapy?
Our goal is to serve more clients in the local area, but also people outside of our state and people outside of our area. The way we serve clients through our app is we can service anyone in the country or anyone in the world. We currently serve clients in California, Texas, North Carolina, New York, and even in London.
Nice.
So we are able to communicate, work with patients and clients all over the country and all over the world. So we're physical therapists and we're strength and conditioning coaches. Our primary goal is to teach you, inspire you, and motivate you to become a better version of yourself. Whether it's get out of pain, whether it's improve weight loss, or it's get stronger, or get back to your sport in a better state, working on performance, getting faster, getting stronger. So one of the things that when we are taking an intake on someone is their fear of getting hurt in the gym or their fear of not knowing where to start. That's our job. Our job is to coach you, guide you, and make sure you feel safe entering into the gym, progressing you slowly, progressing you and meeting you where you're at in your current fitness journey.
I love that. So the future of RPE fitness and the app that is Rehab Perform Evolve developed here at Balance Physical Therapy is to, one, reach more people, not just locally, but statewide, countrywide, worldwide, and you already are, it sounds like, serving clients from all over the world. So it's numbers of people, but it's also ease of access and, fitness, nutrition, concierge access to their physical therapist if they are a local client. And if they're not a local client, having everything from their exercises, their foods, their time to eat, their amounts to eat, their sets, their reps, which specific exercises that they need, all of the things that they need to accomplish whatever goals they might have, whether it be get out of pain, reduce their medication intake, avoid a surgery, get more buffed and jacked, get more lean and fast, throw a fastball 100 miles per hour, or just walk up the stairs to their bedroom. If they're an elderly person that's had a total knee replacement and they don't know what to do. One of the biggest things that as a physical therapist that I've seen and heard from many, many patients over the years is, well, what's gonna happen when I'm graduated or discharged from care? What am I gonna do then? They're terrified to go to a Gold's Gym where these, monsters are dropping, 250-pound barbells on the floor from overhead, right next to somebody who just had their knee replaced. You don't want to be in that environment necessarily. And so there's a fear of that. There's a fear of, what do I do? What is that machine? What am I supposed to do with this? They don't know what to do or they don't know where to begin. And that's one of the things that RPE can close the gap on. You don't have to worry about that. We're a team of doctors of physical therapy and strength and conditioning coaches that are going to take all of your fears and all of your past medical history and all of your medications and all of your current goals and aspirations into consideration before we begin programming for you and delivering you the result right to the palm of your hand, through our app. You can take it with you to the gym. You can watch the videos. You can ask questions. You can communicate with us directly. You can click a button and see exactly what it is that you're supposed to do today, tomorrow, the next day, and beyond. And you can track your progress. You can have questions answered. You can have fears put to rest. And you can actually feel as though you're empowered for the first time with all the information you need right in your back pocket. And I know it's a bit of a stretch, but it's literally like having one of us in your pocket. And that's the beauty of RPE. I think that's the future of where we'd like to go is, hey, if you can't come to us, no problem. We can come to you anywhere you are in the world and you can take us with you. And you can take everything that we have in here and the more than 100 years combined of clinical practice that our team of physical therapists and strength and conditioning coaches have, and you can have that with you wherever you go, wherever you travel, and you can have the peace of mind knowing that you're doing things the right way to accomplish the goals that you have told us you've set for yourself.